Welcome to Cook and Bake Academy. I am Chef Nitin Pal Singh, and today I am going to prepare a very nice and a famous salad from Thailand, which is known as Som Tam or Thai Green Papaya Salad. So let's start. Here are the ingredients to make this lovely salad. Let's do the mise en place or the preparation for this wonderful salad. So we'll take the beans. I have already trimmed the sides and we cut them into lengthwise like this. It has to be very long and slant. It's very easy to cut. Just a little bit of technique. The knife has to be extremely sharp. So here we take the raw papaya. It has to be real firm. So we'll first using this peeler. I'll just peel it off. Just have to ensure that the entire green layer has to be taken off. So as you can see, we have peeled the entire papaya. So now my papaya is peeled, so I'll just change the setting to this blade so that I can get the long strips and keep on doing like this. As you can see, this is the cutting we want, so it gets separated like this. Similarly, we will cut the carrot. I've already peeled the carrot, and using the same blade we will cut. We have to make sure that it has to be very long enough, not the short ones. The longer the better. For the dressing, we require jaggery, so I'll just cut them. You can also grate it, but I would prefer to cut it because that is much easier for me. This will help us in dissolving the lemon juice and jaggery together. So in this chopped jaggery, I'll be adding lemon juice and we'll keep it for a while until it is mixed together evenly. Let's prepare the dressing for our papaya salad. So in a mortar pestle, we'll take some fresh red chillies. I'll take just 2, but if you want it to be more spicy, you can take more. Add in 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and we will just pound them, extract the flavor. As you can see, it is mixed properly. Now we will add this mixture of chili and garlic in this. I'll now add some salt. So as you can see, we have salty, we have spicy, we have sour and sweet. All the flavors are there. Sweet from the jaggery, salt from the salty, spicy from the chilies and sour from the lemon juice. You can keep this in the refrigerator for about a month or so even. It will not go bad, rather it will be more flavorful. So we will blanch our beans. For that, I just heated some water, add in some salt, and as soon as the water gets boiled, add the beans. So we'll just take them into the cold water. Let's assemble the salad now. So let's start assembling our salad. So here we take our grated papaya. We'll add in the carrot and the beans. Pound them so that the flavor gets into the papaya. Ideally, it is done in a wooden container known as sakabulla. Now we will add cherry tomatoes. Add the dressing. As you can see, this is very nice, thick consistency. Spread it over. It's nice red, green, different colors. You can check the seasoning at this time. In case you find it less salty or less spicy, you can add in the dressing as per your choice. It's a very nice and healthy salad, absolutely zero oil. It's a good fat cutter also because of raw papaya and the chilies. So it's mixed now. Let's dish it out in a bowl. Before that, I'll just add some roasted peanuts, crushed and roasted. In Thailand, we use palm sugar instead of jaggery. So now just garnish with some roasted peanuts. It gives a nice crunch to the salad. And put in some coriander. So here's your Thai papaya salad or Som Tam. Enjoy.